how to fix Spotify something went wrong. Getting the something went wrong error on Spotify. Here's how to fix it step by step. So first, clear the Spotify cache. So to do that, go ahead and long press the Spotify app shortcut on your device and then select app info. So from here, go ahead and look for storage and cache. Click on it once you find it. So inside it, you'll find the clear cache button. So click on it. Now once you're done with this, go ahead and open up the Spotify app. So head back to your homepage, click on Spotify, and then go ahead and log out of Spotify, then log back in. This refreshes your session and often clears the error. If the error persists, uninstall Spotify completely, then download and install the latest version from Spotify.com. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your router if needed. A weak connection can trigger the error. And that is how to fix Spotify something went wrong.